is going to return into the right atrium by the superior vena cava, the inferior vena cava, and the coronary sinus. Here's the opening to the coronary sinus. This is the right atrium. Well, the venous return enters here and then travels through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. In the right ventricle, you have the papillary muscles attached to the chordae tendineae, which are attached to the tricuspid valve. Only in the right ventricle do you have the moderator band here. From the right ventricle, blood travels through the pulmonary semilunar valve. So here's the right ventricle, pulmonary trunk, pulmonary semilunar valve. Blood travels into the pulmonary trunk and then into the left pulmonary artery, and the right pulmonary arteries, I'm looking at it from behind, goes into the lungs and returns by way of the right pulmonary veins, left pulmonary veins, into the left atrium. From the left atrium, blood travels into the left ventricle, where you have, again, chordae tendineae, papillary muscles, and these are trabecular muscles. Blood travels through the aortic semilunar valve, to the ascending aorta, the arch of the aorta, the descending aorta, and then out through the brachiocephalic trunk, the left common carotid, and the left subclavian. Blood also exits at the coronary artery openings here and here into the right coronary artery, which splits to become the marginal branch and posterior branch. On the left side, you have the left coronary artery splitting to become the left anterior descending, and the circumflex in red coursing around the back. The vein, great cardiac vein courses around the back and drains into the coronary sinus. These are the anterior cardiac veins. Following the great cardiac vein to the posterior surface, you have the great cardiac vein draining into the coronary sinus, the posterior vein, the middle vein, and the small vein draining into the coronary sinus, which drains right back into the right atrium.